Welcome back to Leaders of Tomorrow. Sparkling in the heart of Surat is one of the world's largest diamond export hubs. And this sector is home to almost 3,500 SMEs, employing nearly 8 lakh people. One of the pioneers of this diamond industry is Sevanti Lal Shah. Here's his story, but before that, take a look at some facts about this cluster. The world is his playground and he's out there to win the game of business. With a humble background from the remote village of Palanpur, Sevanti Lal Shah has come a long way. His willpower and a go-getter attitude have helped him take his 50-year-old company, Venus Jewels, to great heights.
In the beginning, the India was known for the small and cheaper diamonds only. So, in one marriage function, I think almost 25-30 years before, at Mumbai, one gentleman, originally Gujarati, who became a Belgian citizen, and who was considered to be the number one in the entire industry. He told India can't do this, India is very poor in this area, that area. He mentioned about the expensive diamonds. Belgium is manufacturing large size diamonds. India can't do this, and it will not be able to do after 50 years also. And I am very much thankful to that gentleman who encouraged me to take the challenge. And I started manufacturing by expensive and large diamond. I succeeded from the very beginning, and I was just all alone in the industry to do this kind of manufacturing large scale. And that is how the manufacturing of the large and expensive diamond came in India.
Venus, as the name suggests, derived its inspiration from the goddess of love and beauty. The company symbolizes that philosophy in its diamond business. It is one of Surat's biggest diamond producers, employing 1,600 people in a state-of-the-art facility. The company imports raw diamonds, then cuts them in various sizes based on the need, and eventually polishes them to bring out the sparkle. The diamonds range from 0.5 to 5 carats in size, from D to J diamond colors, and across purity levels from FL to I2.
Normally diamonds are decided on 4 C's, that is carat, cut, color and caratage. But in addition to that, we became the trendsetter, we brought many other areas. So we have 17, I think 18 or something factors we decide pricing in our company.
Venus Jewels is a trendsetter and pioneer of sorts in the diamond trade. It had developed an online portal way back in 1996 to reach out to the world. This initiative made sale of diamonds more transparent and educative for the customers, and business from all across the globe started pouring in.
We had a very good credibility in the entire market because of the certain principles. I decided from the very beginning not to take money on interest from anyone except the banks. And probably we are the only company in the entire world in the diamond business who just, other than mining companies, who buy cash only.
Sevanti Lal Shah has his eyes on the world. 50% of his produce is exported to the US alone, followed by key markets in Israel, Europe, Far East and the Middle East. Shah's investments are focused on technology on the shop floor. This empowers his employees to continuously stay ahead of the curve and deliver the best in quality year after year.
My plan is just to keep on improving and keep on increasing the business. I never go for the target. My target just keep on improving, and that is how we achieve the growth.
Keeping its employees motivated is the key to Venus's growth. The salaries are best in the industry, and Venus also offers pension schemes and gratuity to its long-serving workforce. Thanks to such initiatives, attrition is never a problem for Venus, and some of its employees have been with the company since its inception.
मैं 38 साल से यहाँ कंपनी में काम करता हूँ। इस कंपनी में वो डिसिप्लिन है, वो व्यवहार है, वो अपने नियम है, कानून सब वो सब इकट्ठे करके वो कंपनी ने बहुत बढ़िया किया।
मैं अनपढ़ गवार था, मुझे साइन करना इस फैक्ट्री में मैंने सीखा। यहाँ आया, बैठे बैठे मेरी लाइफ इससे अच्छी बन गई। गांव में बाल बच्चे भी सब सुखी से, मैं भी सुखी से, हर तरीके सुखी से।